What is going on, everybody? I'm James Young with JamesYoungPhotography.com, and this is Teach Me How to Lightroom. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick and simple one, and it is how to install presets to Lightroom. Now, as of recording this video in early 2018, this is the easiest way that I know of on how to install presets. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is go up to Lightroom at the top left, or you can press Command, comma, or Control, comma, if you're on Windows, to access the preferences. Once you're in preferences, there's going to be a top navigation here, and just go ahead and click on presets. I'm already there. Once you're in the presets tab, just go over to location, and then on the right hand side you can see show Lightroom presets folder. Go ahead and click that, and voila, it takes you to your Lightroom folder. Once you're in your Lightroom folder, navigate to your presets folder, and it is called Develop Presets. Now, if you've never installed any presets, there's not going to be a lot going on here. You can see here I have one folder and it just says user presets. But let's say you downloaded some presets, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize Lightroom as well as that preferences tab. And what do you know, on my desktop I have the JY Pop Pack 01 Moody downloaded here on my desktop. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is just double click, and it's going to unzip, and it's going to give us a folder. Within that folder, we're going to have even more instructions on how to install, things like that, example images of before and after. Very cool. But what we want to get to is the presets. So we've navigated to the folder that has the presets in it. You can see here, your computer might even recognize it as a preset file, which is great. So select the folder, and then you're just going to want to click and drag into that Develop Presets folder right there. So let's just go ahead and reopen up our Lightroom as well as the preferences. At this point, we can close our preferences, and we're just going to quit Lightroom. You can press Command K on your Mac, reopen it, and just like that, we have our JY Pop 01 Moody installed with all of the associated presets. So we just click, bam, starts our edit, and then we can kind of go from there. Now, of course, with presets, this is merely just to get you going in the right direction, or the direction that you want to go with your edit. So once you click to apply a preset, you're going to want to adjust it as you see fit. Every single lighting scenario and every single settings within your camera are going to be different from shoot to shoot to shoot. Not one preset is really ever going to hit the mark with one click. Well, I'm James Young with JamesYoungPhotography.com, and this is Teach Me How to Lightroom.